Hi, this is Rick, the backyard mechanic, and I have this 1997 Nissan Pathfinder that makes a high kind of grinding pitching noise when started. I wasn't sure what the problem was because it sounded pretty bad, but I pulled up on the internet that if you pour water on the belt and if it stops squealing, then it's probably a belt. If it doesn't, it's probably a pulley. So let's find out. You probably can't hear me, but it's pretty loud. But I'm going to go get the water right now and see what happens. See how it went away? So it's just a belt. So I'm going to change the belt out. Thank God it's just a belt. And I'm going to show you what I did to find out what belt it was. It worked for me, it might work for you because there are 3 belts on here, so I wouldn't be sure what one it was without trying this. So what I got is a small bottle conditioner because I heard you can use soap, and I'm going to put it on the belt that I think it is, and if it stops the squealing noise, then I know it's that belt. So 1 second. I'll kind of see if I can show you where I put it on there. I put it on this belt right here. I don't know if you can see my finger. See that? There it is. And then I put some more on by the air condition down here. I got a little bit there. So we'll see if this works and see if it stops the squealing. Okay, it stopped squealing. I've had to put a bunch of it on. Either you can use I've used conditioner before, hand lotion, whatever you want to use. You can use people use bars of soap, but I'm pretty sure it's this belt right here. So I'm going to go around, turn the car off, and go and start changing it out, and I'll show you how I do it. First of all, I'm going to unhook the battery. I'm going to unhook this hose right here. There's a bolt. I know the video quality ain't the best. There's a bolt right here. Not a bolt, a screw, but normally it's a bolt. It's the wrong one. I'll take that out. I will take this one out here. I think it's a 10 millimeter. I'll unhook this. There's clips here on the air filter. I'll take all them off, and I'll take these hoses off. I'll press and take these off, and I will take this hose off right here and move it out of the way. And I'm pretty sure that's all I have to do at this time. So let me start with unhooking the battery. Okay, I got the battery unhooked. Normally I'd wear safety glasses, but I can't find mine. So then I'm going to remove this hose here. Just loosen it up. And you're going to lose a little fluid. Move it out of the way. Then I will take, I think these are 10 millimeters, and these are just regular. And I'll move them and show you in a second. I have to pause, sorry, I have to pause and stop it all the time. Okay, I'm going to move some of these clips. There's a clip here. I like these bent type pliers so they're easy to move. And I'm going to move the clip here out of the way. It's kind of easier with 2 hands, but I'm just showing you. Okay, I got that one moved. And that one moved. And then I will unhook this line right here. It's hard to do this. Move this out of the way. Got that moved out of the way. And I'm going to pull these out here and remove all this. So 1 second, please. Okay, there was a hose right here I had to unhook, and there's a clip right there I have to undo too before. I normally put my bolts down here so I don't lose them in that tray. And yes, it was a 10 millimeter, but went here. Now to remove this, you just kind of have to wiggle it and pull it out of the way. Make sure this hose is disconnected over here like I didn't do, and just kind of wiggle it and pull it up, and it comes right out. And to loosen this belt here, there's a bolt here you need to loosen, and this is the tensioner to remove. Okay, they both take 14 millimeters, so I'm going to loosen it, and the belt, once it's loose enough, will come right off, and it's pretty easy to route itself explaining. It's the only belt I'll be taking off. Okay, I took the belt off, but I'm pretty sure the pulley's bad too. So I can hear like when I spin it and it moves. So I'm going to replace the pulley too, just because it doesn't sound, I don't know if you can hear that, but it sounds bad. So I'm going to replace that too. Well, I had to go get a new pulley too, so it was an air conditioner pulley, so I'm going to put this back together, and well, that's about all I can say. I'm going to put it back together and we'll see how it starts afterwards. The squealing's gone. Remember, you can put these on the wrong way, so make sure it's this way. When it goes on, this is goes towards the engine, and this way goes towards the front. When you put this back in, make sure there's two clips on the bottom here that they stick in. There's a little clip holes on the bottom too. Well, make sure you have everything hooked up, all the clamps, all this stuff over here, hoses. The last thing I always hook up is the battery. There's another squealing coming from somewhere. You can't hear it right now. I don't know if it's the air conditioned pump or another pulley, but I'll figure the problem out. Right now it's running good. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed the video and helped.